Well, class, good afternoon, good evening when you're watching this. We're now about halfway through the course. We've addressed the issues of planning. We've done some work on organizing. Now we're moving into leadership. And this week, I'm adding to the group of videos a discussion or a series of discussions about cases that are in the book, so that you can read a case in the book, and then we can discuss it, and you can see what it is going forward a professor might want you to look at, or approach you might want to take, or discussion you might want to have about a case that's in the book. They're shorter, allows us a little time, and they're not tremendously hard to read, and I hope you'll find this useful. One thing that I'm going to ask you, if you can take the time, not mandatory, but if you'd like to, is this. As part of our course here, obviously we never meet, but I get to give you information, and I get information back from you in terms of your assignments, etc. But I'd really like to know from you what you're finding that's useful, what you're finding that isn't useful, right? Because just like we discussed in some of the case studies, so that I can improve the course in the second half for you, and maybe for other students in the future. The idea here is that if you're seeing something that you would like more of, you can tell me. If you have something you want less of, you can tell me that too. My feelings won't be hurt. Here we're all trying to learn, because education is, I firmly believe, a two-way street. And I hope that at least the information that's going out you're finding useful, but I want to make it even better for you as a consumer of it. So that is my request for this week. Like I said, we're going to continue to follow the same format that we've had for quizzes. They're open book, no time limit. And the discussions, again, I've seen people really chiming in, and I like that on the discussion, so that's good. So I think we're doing very well going forward. You're doing very well going forward. And I look for your input and suggestions as to how we can make this a better course for all of us. I wish you all a very good week. One final note, I'll be putting a note up. I will be at the McCarthy Center this week, November 1, for office hours. I won't be there November 8th. That's election night, and that's a night I always like to be at home. So I won't be there on November 8th. However, if you need to meet with me for any reason, just drop me a line, and we'll arrange a different time in the week to meet. All right? Have a good one. We'll take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.